I'm going to be looking at the Hartley fountain pen and Hartley Legacy silver watch. Now, for full disclosure, they sent these to me, but there was no preconditions at all. I just got them to review. First off, I'm going to be looking at the watch, which comes in this solid box, and when it opens up, the front comes down. This is the warranty card. On the back you got a QR code to scan. And this is the Legacy Owner's Handbook, which is a glossy pamphlet which gives you all the details and specifications of the watch. This also covers care, warranty and adjustments such as a strap. And there you've got the social media connections for contact. On the top of the box you've got this felt-like material with the Hartley name embossed on it. And this cloth covers the main box, and again you've got the Hartley name embossed on the top of the box. I'll just move this out and give myself a bit of room to open it up. The box has a small push button catch release to open it up, and then when you open it up you've got the Hartley name again embossed in gold and the main watch. Now I'm going to take this over to my desk and have a really good look at it, and then I'll set the time. It's got the Hartley name embossed on the back there, and inside there's some links there because they adjusted it for me, so hopefully when I try it on it should be a perfect fit. Here you've got a catch release on the back, lift the flap, and there's two buttons to hold just to release it. I'm just trying this on for the first time, and then after that I'll set the time. That fits perfectly. To set the time you turn the crown away from you till it releases, and then you've got to turn it 20 to 30 times just to charge the hairspring for the power on the watch. And then pull it out again and you can set the time. It turns both ways. And then when you've set the time, push it back in and turn the crown clockwise just to lock it in place. Here I'm just having a closer look at the watch. You've got flat sapphire with anti-reflective coating on both sides. The movement is Miyota 21 joule automatic mechanism. Power reserve on it is 40 hours. The case diameter is 43 millimeters. Case thickness 11 millimeters. Lug width 20 millimeters. And the weight is 152 grams, but I will weigh it because it's been adjusted for me, so there's some links out, so it'll be slightly different. This is also water resistant, as you'd expect. Now I'm just going to weigh this. I've got this set to ounces, but I'll convert it to grams. That's about 55 ounces, which is about 155 grams. Now I'm just going to take a look at the fountain pen, and this comes with some inks. That cap just pulls off this, and then you unscrew it to put the ink in. Now this comes with a refillable section, but I've got some ink cartridges with it which I'll use. You just push in. You need a bit of pressure, but you'll know when it's seated, which it is now, and then screw it back together. Now you can get the ink flowing by keep doing strokes. I'll just give it a little shake, that encourages the ink to the end, and there it is, the ink's coming through. Just doing a quick test to show it. All flows very well. It's not the neatest as I'm trying to write round the camera, but at least it shows it. And that's it. Now Hartley have kindly given me a discount code to pass on to my viewers, which is 15%. I'm just going to use the pen to write it down, and that will give you 15%, and I'll put the link in the description. My overall view is the watch is beautiful. It really looks nice on the wrist. It's a good weight, it feels nice and solid, and I like that you can see through to the mechanism. The watch will now stay on my wrist, and I'll be using the pen, and what I'll do is I'll leave it about a week of use, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. And that's the discount code, Chris15. As I say, it'll be linked in the description. It's been just over a week now, and this is the first time I'm taking the watch back off my wrist. I've been wearing it constantly. It keeps perfect time, and it looks fantastic. I really can't fault it. The quality of everything from the box right through is top rate, and I'd like to thank Hartley for sending this to me. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, it's always most appreciated.